Okay, let's look at number 47. We have a table of x and y input and output values, and we have a variety of functions to choose from to represent this table. So really the best way to see if you can get this to work is to try values into the function rule and make sure they work. So like if we try this first function rule, it's saying you're supposed to take your x value, times it by 5, and add 7. And that you should get 12. And we do. Okay, so let's check it with some more because it has to work with all of the possible values in the table. So let's try it with the next x value. Y should equal 7 plus 5 times 2 this time. We do the multiplication and then we do the addition. And so it's saying y would be 17, but it's not, y is 19. So choice A can't work. Okay, we can continue trying choices until we find something that works. But I'm going to go ahead and see what happens when we use choice C. Whether you plug in 1, whether you plug in 2, or any of the other x values, you always get the corresponding y value. This function rule, choice C, represents all of the table, and it works for every row. You really have to try it for more than just the first value because you can easily get yourself picking the wrong things with patterns and tables if you're only trying the first thing or the first number. One thing you might notice, if you look at this chart, as it increases, it's always increasing by 7. That kind of has to do with what we've been talking about in class. The slope is 7, and 7 is like our constant multiple. We're always multiplying it times the x value. Just a little hint or something to be on the lookout for.